And of course, to our families and friends. Thank you for coming. Above all, we thank God
Ay, grabe
for
guys.
all the blessings He has given.
We celebrate not only an anniversary but also the countless memories, milestones, and relationships.
So, ayan po mga kalingap. Una po nating CCTV, mga kalingap, para sa inyong request. Sa mga supporters po ng Mick Chris. Ito na po ang inyong mga nire-request po na CCTV. Ay, grabe mga tingin na nila. Ay, grabe guys, mga titig. Grabe yung mga titig guys. Nakita niyo ba guys yung mga titig ni Mickey kay Krista? Ay, grabe po mga kalingap. Grabe yung mga titigan kanina guys. Ayan! Trabaho tayo boy, trabaho tayo.
Settle down. We're about to be
Guys, magkatapatan guys ng dalawa. Magkatapatan ng dalawa. Grabe, nakita niyo po ba yung mga titig kanina ni Mikoy?
Malapit na po maka-copyright ang mga video ngayon.
Ay, grabe, mga pasulyap-sulyap po ni Mix ngayon. Yung sulyapan po ni Mix Krista, mga kalingap. Ay, grabe dito. Grabe guys, mga simpleng, alam niyo yun. Ay! Ayan na! Ay! Ha?
Para may...
Part mo yan, Part?
Court mo yan. Ay, kulang pa, wala pa sila Papa John.
Parating na rin yan, parating na rin yan.
Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. All of you look fabulous and amazing. Let's begin the celebration with the biggest round of applause, please. Gusto mo sigaw mong palakpakan naman po. Tonight is a very special celebration over here at Velvet, the first year anniversary of Velvet Box Incorporated, and here at Blue Rock Events, ladies. We're still enjoying the celebration. We're excited for the party and socials maya-maya. But for now, I believe I am not the perfect person to welcome us in this celebration. Mga kaibigan, again, to give us the welcome message, we give you the Vice Chairman and CEO of Velvet Box Incorporated, Mr. Ramoni James Matubay. Palakpakan po.
Ayan guys, kung gusto niyong mapanood guys yung mga malapit ng kuha.
We, the Velvet Box INC Archfield, celebrate our first company anniversary. We are celebrating a year of growth, teamwork, and success. To our amazing team, we appreciate everyone's hard work, dedication, and passion as you've been the backbone of our success this year. Thank you for believing in our vision and building such a wonderful workplace. To our sold outs, thank you for trusting us and being an essential part of our journey. We wouldn't have reached this milestone without your support. We look forward to serving you with the same commitment. To our partner manufacturer represented by the Vice President, Ms. Annalie. Ano po siya? Palakpakan po natin. And her staff, Ms. Rachel, for coming all the way from Manila. The entrepreneurs from different industries. Ayan, dito po. Thank you po sa pagdalo. Alam ko po na busy po kayo pero salamat po sa paglaan po ng time. And to the Kalingap team, andun po sila. Ayan. Siyempre. And wala pa sila Kuya Bal pero papunta na rin po sila, ang founder ng Team Kalingap. And also to the Velvet Box ambassadors and ambassadresses and affiliates. Palakpakan naman kayo dyan. And of course, to our families and friends. Thank you for coming. Above all, we thank God
Ay, grabe guys.
for all the blessings He has given to us. Again, we're grateful to everyone who made our first year of business incredible success. We're just getting started. Cheers to the future. Thank you very much po.
Thank you very much once again, Mr.
Napakalaking bagay mo sa Velvet Box and you're playing a very good role. We salute your hard work and of course sa lahat na nasa process for the Velvet Box. Maraming salamat again. Again, a big hand for Mr. Ramoni James Matubay. Palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat po.
Every
successful business has a story. The story of Velvet Box is one of determination, creativity, and excellence. Through the years, Velvet Box has evolved from a simple jewelry venture into a respected brand known for quality, style, and exceptional customer experience. Each collection reflects the brand's commitment to timeless beauty, ensuring that every customer finds a piece that perfectly complements their unique journey. Tonight, we celebrate not only an anniversary but also the countless memories, milestones, and relationships that have been created along the way. All of you are invited. Let us all watch the video.
Tama na.
We have Mr. Rock Mapuma!
Asan na yung host na yan? Pangalan ko. Sorry.
Ay, grabe. Ngayon po mga kalingap, ang CCTV po natin si Fran at si Joy. Yan. Dapat CCTV to bro. Ay, grabe guys. Dapat talaga po magkatabi sila, pero sobrang gentleman ni Fran. Inauna po yung mga Wag. Dito ka. Sobrang gentleman po ni Fran. Pinauna po muna niya yung mga ladies, kaya ayan. Pero tinan niyo naman po, talagang binabantayan po ni Fran. Binabantayan mo bro. Gutom ka na po. Tapos nag-giveaway ko bro. Kaya pa mga kalingap po. Bantay sarado po natin ang Fran Joy.
Lechon bro.
Yung lechon ang gusto ko kanan.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary Velvet Box. Thank you. Ayan. Uy bro, yung second account, supportahan po natin Fran. Sa second account po ni Fran. Uy!
Nalito.
Sorry bro, sorry. Nalito.
Ako si Brad.
May
Yung second channel ko.
pila.
Mamaya ka pa bro.
Wala naman.